Most 3D printers quietly fail in hot rooms, and no brand will tell you. In this video, we're counting down 5 printers that actually survive the heat and keep your prints consistent, so you can finally stop wasting time and filament. At number 5, we have the Creality Ender-3 S1. It is an excellent entry point for anyone struggling with heat-related print failures without spending too much. Currently priced between $300 and $400, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option that still addresses some of the biggest challenges in hot room printing. Its direct drive extruder reaches up to 260 degrees Celsius, paired with a heated bed that goes to 100 degrees Celsius, allowing you to work with PLA, PETG, and even some light ABS. The build volume of 220 by 220 by 270 millimeters is enough for most hobbyist projects. What makes it better than other budget machines in warm environments is the direct drive system, which keeps filament from softening prematurely inside the tube, a common source of jams in hot rooms. In real-world conditions, this printer can handle moderately warm ambient temperatures without constant intervention, and short to medium-length prints remain consistent. The limitations are clear, though. It's still an open-frame design, which means extremely high temperatures or long ABS prints can still warp or suffer layer inconsistencies. For someone looking for a first real upgrade from entry-level printers, the Ender-3 S1 offers noticeable improvements in heat management without demanding a climate-controlled room. It's ideal for beginners and hobbyists who want reliable PLA and PETG prints and are willing to accept some limitations when tackling higher temperature filaments or longer sessions. The number 4 pick is the Prusa Mini Plus, a step up both in price and sophistication, retailing around $450 to $500. The build volume is slightly smaller at 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, but it boasts a nozzle capable of reaching 280 degrees Celsius and a heated bed up to 100 degrees Celsius, which allows it to handle PLA, PETG, and some ABS with better consistency. What makes this printer shine in warmer conditions isn't just the specs, it's the integration of firmware and cooling systems that actively stabilize printing. Unlike budget printers that struggle when the ambient temperature rises, the Mini Plus manages its nozzle and bed heat intelligently, maintaining consistent extrusion and layer formation. Users in hot rooms report that long prints are far less prone to random defects, and issues like stringing or minor warping occur less frequently. Limitations are mostly tied to the lack of an enclosure, meaning it won't completely isolate prints from extreme heat or drafts. For someone who prints regularly in warm conditions but doesn't need a fully enclosed industrial-grade machine, the Mini Plus offers predictable performance and reliability, making it perfect for hobbyists, intermediate users, and small space setups without AC. It's a smart choice if your priority is consistency over raw build volume or speed.
Coming at number 3, the Bambu Lab P1P occupies the mid-range segment, typically priced between $600 and $700, and is the first printer on this list that actively compensates for heat rather than simply tolerating it. With a 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume, a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, and sophisticated cooling management, it maintains layer integrity even in warmer ambient temperatures. Its advanced airflow and motion control ensure that each layer sets properly, which is critical in rooms without air conditioning, where heat can accumulate quickly. Real-world users report that long prints on PLA, PETG, and even low-grade nylon remain consistent, with fewer stringing issues and less warping than comparable open-frame printers. The P1P still lacks a full enclosure, so extreme temperature spikes can occasionally affect performance, but it drastically reduces the likelihood of heat-induced print failures. This printer is ideal for semi-professional makers or enthusiasts who print regularly in warm environments and want a reliable machine that minimizes constant monitoring and intervention. Its higher price reflects not just faster speeds, but a system designed for consistent results, making it a solid investment for anyone frustrated by repeated heat-related print issues. At number 2, we have the Creality K1 Max moves into the high-performance range, priced between $800 and $1,000, and is built for serious users who need consistent performance in warm or poorly ventilated rooms. Its 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume, 300 degrees Celsius hot end, and 120 degrees Celsius heated bed allow it to work with demanding filaments such as ABS, PETG, and nylon without frequent failures. What makes the K1 Max particularly effective in hot conditions is its semi-enclosed design, which creates a more controlled internal environment, combined with aggressive cooling and reliable high-speed performance. In practice, this means that even in no AC setups or summer heat, long prints remain stable, layers adhere correctly, and warping is minimized. The main limitations are its larger size and higher cost, and for someone who primarily prints PLA or small models, this could be overkill. However, for users who often tackle high-temperature filaments or complex projects in warm conditions, the K1 Max provides thermal stability that open frame printers can't match. It's a compelling choice for hobbyists, pros, or makers who need a printer that performs reliably regardless of room temperature fluctuations. Finally, our top pick, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, is a premium option priced between $1,200 and $1,500, designed to virtually eliminate heat-related failures. Its 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume, 300 degrees Celsius hot end, 120 degrees Celsius heated bed, and fully enclosed design allow it to maintain a controlled internal environment that shields prints from external temperature fluctuations. Beyond hardware, it features advanced sensors, AI-assisted monitoring, and optimized airflow, ensuring that thermal stability is maintained even in rooms exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Users report that long prints with PLA, ABS, nylon, or carbon fiber composites complete reliably without intervention, making it one of the most dependable machines for warm environments. Its main drawback is the higher upfront cost, which may be prohibitive for casual users, but for anyone printing frequently in hot rooms or handling high-temperature filaments, the X1 Carbon saves time, material, and frustration. This printer is best suited for professionals, semi-pros, or makers who need consistent, predictable results in environments where other printers would fail. It's the ultimate investment if thermal stability and reliability are your top priorities. So there you have it, 5 3D printers that actually handle hot rooms without turning your prints into a mess. If you pick the wrong machine, you're just signing up for frustration, wasted filament, and failed long prints. But with the right machine, heat stops being a problem, and your prints come out consistent every single time. Whether you're a hobbyist, a semi-pro, or printing in a no AC setup, choosing wisely here saves you time, money, and headaches.